Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we begin our drive on I-95 South at mile 92 in Cecil County, Maryland. Just ahead we'll cross the Susquehanna River on the Millard E. Tidings Memorial Bridge, named for a prominent Maryland politician who served as a U.S. Senator from 1927 to 1951. Constructed between January 1962 and November 1963, the bridge spans high bluffs overlooking the river valley. Due to its elevated position, it's marked with signs warning motorists about high crosswinds. The 50-mile section of I-95 between the Delaware state line and Baltimore is called the John F. Kennedy Memorial Highway, named for our 35th president. Kennedy was present at the dedication of this first completed section of I-95 on November 14, 1963. Just 8 days later, Kennedy was assassinated in Dallas, and the highway was renamed in his honor the following month. Until 1993, I-95 here was a tolled facility in both directions, but now only northbound traffic pays a toll. Now, I was surprised to find out that the city at exit 89 is pronounced Havre de Grace, and you wonder why so many people have trouble pronouncing the name Brett Favre. Favre. Favre.
What the hell is Brett Favre doing here?
I'm in town to play the Dolphins, you dumbass.
We just missed the city limits of Havre de Grace, as the city is centered on US 40 just a mile to our south. We're now in Harford County, which is part of the Central Maryland region, and is included in the Washington, Baltimore, Arlington, D.C., Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia, Pennsylvania combined statistical area. The county had an estimated population of 264,644 as of 2023. We passed through the city of Aberdeen, the largest municipality in Harford County, with 16,254 residents as of the 2020 census. Aberdeen is home to the U.S. Army's Aberdeen Proving Ground, a vital hub for military testing and research since its establishment by an act of Congress in January of 1918. Spanning over 72,500 acres in Harford County, APG serves as headquarters for the U.S. Army Test and Evaluation Command, playing a crucial role in advancing national defense. Today, the installation supports a workforce of more than 7,500 civilian employees and 5,000 military personnel, all dedicated to testing and evaluating equipment and technologies that ensure the readiness and effectiveness of America's armed forces. Also found in Aberdeen is Ripken Stadium, a 6,300-seat baseball stadium, and the historical Queen Anne-style B&O Aberdeen Railroad Station, built in 1885 by the Bunyan and Onion Railroad. The station fell into poor condition, having been out of use since 1955, and narrowly escaped demolition in 2023. Since then, efforts are currently underway to preserve the station, with over $100,000 raised for renovations. On the left in the median of I-95 is the Maryland House Service Area, a longtime stop for travelers along I-95. It first opened its doors in 1963, quickly becoming a key rest stop for motorists. In 1987, the facility underwent its first major renovation, followed by the addition of new wings between 1989 and 1990 to better accommodate growing traffic. After nearly 5 decades of service, the original structure closed on September 15, 2012, to make way for a complete overhaul. The aging building was demolished and a modernized facility rose in its place, reopening to the public on January 16, 2014. The revamped service area now offers updated amenities, dining options, and improved accessibility, continuing its legacy as a trusted stop for travelers on the East Coast. A brown sign advertises Gunpowder Falls State Park, one of Maryland's largest state parks, spanning 15,088 acres across 6 non-contiguous areas in northeastern Baltimore County and western Harford County. Established to protect the scenic valleys of the Big and Little Gunpowder Falls and the Gunpowder River, the park offers a diverse landscape ranging from serene tidal marshes to rugged forested slopes. With over 120 miles of trails, the park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering opportunities for hiking, biking, horseback riding, and cross-country skiing. Visitors can also enjoy activities like picnicking, tubing, canoeing, kayaking, tidewater fishing, crabbing, fly fishing, and hunting. Managed by the Maryland Department of Natural Resources, Gunpowder Falls State Park remains a year-round destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. We enter Baltimore County and will conclude today's video just ahead at mile 72. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special thanks to our channel members, whose contributions help make this channel possible. You too can help support this channel for as little as $1 a month and get early access to our regular videos. Or it doesn't cost you anything at all to give us a thumbs up, share on social media, subscribe, leave a comment below, and join us for our next 504 road trip.